The first stitch we will demonstrate is the stem stitch. It is a widely used stitch, commonly used to outline design contours. It is decorative. We will use 3 strands of floss, color number 10. We can stitch from left to right, or from right to left. Let's start from the left side. Bring the needle through at the end of the line. Stitch a small step forward. Be careful not to pull the floss too tight. Leave a small loop on the fabric. Use your left hand to press it slightly. Bring the needle through between the 2 strands. Pull the needle through. Let's demonstrate it again. Bring the needle down in front of it. Do not pull the floss tight. Leave a small loop on the fabric. Bring the needle through between the strands. Pull the floss up. Repeat this process. Stitch along the line until complete. Keep the stitch length consistent. This ensures smooth lines. This keeps the lines even and neat. Bring the needle down here to secure the last stitch. After finishing, tie a knot on the back. Bring the needle through the stitched floss. Wrap the floss around the needle twice with your right hand. Press down on the wrapped floss with your fingers. Push the needle upward. Pull the needle through. Cut off the excess floss. This knot is now complete. The stem stitch is complete. Let's check the finished result. Follow the same steps for the remaining stem stitches. We will now embroider the circle and the musical note. It is a bit more complex than the straight pattern. However, the stitches and technique are the same. Let's start with the musical note. We will use 3 strands of floss, color number 8. Bring the needle through at the end of the note. Make a stitch forward. Bring the needle through at the middle end of the first stitch. Then stitch forward again. Be careful not to pull the floss too tight. Bring the needle through at the center. Stitch forward again. Repeat the same steps. Follow the pattern's path to complete the stitching. Avoid pulling the floss too tight each time. Keep the stitch spacing consistent. This keeps the pattern even and neat. For the last stitch, bring the needle down to secure it. The stem stitch musical note is complete. Let's check the finished result. Now let's embroider the circle. We are using 3 strands of floss, color number 7. Bring the needle through at the edge of the small outline. Similarly, stitch forward. Bring the needle through at its midpoint. Continue stitching forward. Bring the needle through at the center. Bring the needle down ahead. Do not pull the floss too tight. This prevents the fabric from puckering. It affects the appearance. Follow the previous steps. Complete the stitching along the pattern's path. Keep the stitch length even. Maintain equal spacing. This ensures a smooth circular shape. For the last stitch, bring the needle down at the end. The stem stitch circle is now complete. Let's check the finished embroidery.